How to enroll in Geico automatic payments. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. So for automatic payments, which is known as Autopay, in Geico, it is the easiest way. What you can do is manage your policy through geico.com and visit the billing payment method page that you will find in your accounts at the top right. And also, if you don't have an account, make sure you create an online account with your policy number, date of birth, and your zip code. And if you're still having issues and you don't know what to do, you can simply click on Contact Us or email them in their number or email them in their mail. And this is how to enroll in Geico automatic payments. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.